Hyundai IONIQ 9, the ultimate three-row electric SUV unveiled. In this video we will be looking into Hyundai's latest electric masterpiece, the IONIQ 9. This isn't just another EV, it's a three-row, all-electric SUV designed to redefine family travel with cutting-edge tech, jaw-dropping design, and more space than you'll know what to do with. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or just curious about Hyundai's flagship electric SUV, stick around because we're breaking it all down, from its stunning looks to its impressive range, pricing, and everything in between. Let's get started. Hyundai has been on a roll with its IONIQ lineup, and the IONIQ 9 is the crown jewel of their electric ambitions. Unveiled on November 20, 2024, at the iconic Goldstein House in Los Angeles, this 7-seater SUV promises to blend futuristic design, top-tier performance, and practicality for families or anyone needing extra space. It's built on the same electric global modular platform, EGMP, as the award-winning IONIQ 5 and IONIQ 6, but it takes things to a whole new level. Let's explore what makes the IONIQ 9 stand out in the crowded EV market. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The IONIQ 9 didn't just appear out of nowhere. It started as the Hyundai 7 concept, revealed back in November 2021 at the LA Auto Show. This concept gave us a sneak peek at Hyundai's vision for a big, bold electric SUV. The 7 concept was a serious concept, according to Hyundai's head of design, Sang-Yup Lee, meaning it wasn't just a flashy showpiece, it was a roadmap to production. Initially dubbed the IONIQ 7 during development, Hyundai renamed it the IONIQ 9 in early 2024 to reflect its position as the largest and most premium model in the IONIQ family. The 9 isn't just a number, it symbolizes Hyundai's entry into the large SUV EV segment, building on the success of the IONIQ 5, a World Car of the Year winner in 2022, and the IONIQ 6, a triple winner in 2023. Hyundai's timing couldn't be better. With EVs gaining traction worldwide and families seeking sustainable alternatives to gas-guzzling SUVs, the IONIQ 9 arrives as a direct competitor to the likes of the Kia EV9, Volvo EX90, and even the Tesla Model X. But does it have what it takes to dominate? Let's find out. Alright, let's talk design, because the IONIQ 9 is a total head-turner. Hyundai calls this their aesthetic design philosophy. And trust me, it's as cool as it sounds. The IONIQ 9's exterior is a masterful blend of aerodynamic efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Unlike the boxier Kia EV9, its corporate cousin, the IONIQ 9 opts for a sleek, rakish silhouette with a gently sloping roofline and flush surfaces. This isn't just for looks, it achieves a drag coefficient of 0.259, which is impressive for a large SUV and helps maximize range. Up front, you'll spot Hyundai's signature parametric pixel LED lights, a design cue shared across the IONIQ lineup. These pixelated lights give the IONIQ 9 a futuristic vibe, almost like something out of a sci-fi movie. The rear features a boat-tail design with seamless pixel-infused lighting, enhancing both style and aerodynamics. Along the sides, subtle character lines inspired by traditional Korean hanbok clothing add a cultural twist to the modern shape. Wheel options range from 19 to 21 inches, with multi-spoke alloys that scream elegance and speed. And here's a fun fact. The IONIQ 9 ditches the traditional roof antenna for a cleaner look, a small but bold statement of its minimalist ethos. At over 5 meters long, that's 16.4 feet, it's Hyundai's biggest passenger vehicle yet, but it's engineered to feel agile on the road. This thing looks like it's gliding, not just driving. But don't let the sleekness fool you. It's got room for 7 inside. Let's step into the cabin next. Interior, a lounge on wheels. If the outside is sleek, the inside is an outright lounge. Seriously, this might be the most spacious EV interior I've ever seen, and I've seen a lot. The IONIQ 9 boasts a wheelbase of 3,130 mm, 123 inches, the longest of any Hyundai model. That translates to a cavernous interior with a flat floor, thanks to the EGMP platform. Whether you're in the first, second, or third row, there's no skimping on legroom or headroom. Hyundai calls this a responsive space, designed to adapt to your needs. The front row offers optional relaxation seats that fully recline with leg rests, perfect for kicking back during a charging stop. The second row features swiveling seats that can turn to face the third row when parked, creating a social hub for family chats or impromptu meetings. Need more storage? The Universal Island 2.0 console slides back and forth, offering walk-through access between the front seats and plenty of space for your gear. Check out this tech. The panoramic curved display stretches across the dash, pairing a digital driver's cluster with a massive infotainment screen. It's clean, it's modern, and it's loaded with goodies. Ambient lighting, slim air vents, and a panoramic sunroof flood the cabin with light and serenity. The third row, often an afterthought in SUVs, is genuinely usable here. No cramped knees or hunched backs. Boot space is generous too, though exact figures are still pending. Based on its sibling, the Kia EV9, expect around 300 liters with all seats up and up to 1,500 liters with the rear rows folded. Noise reduction is another highlight. Sound-absorbing tires, a reinforced structure, and an active noise control road system keep the cabin whisper quiet, even on rough roads. It's like a rolling sanctuary. Performance and range, power meets efficiency. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. Or rather, under the floor, because this is an EV, folks. The IONIQ 9 comes with a 110.3 kWh battery pack, Hyundai's largest yet. It's offered in 3 powertrain options. Long-range RWD, a single 160 kilowatts, 215 horsepower, rear motor, delivering a WLTP range of up to 385 miles. EPA estimates might hover around 330 to 350 miles. 0 to 60 miles per hour takes about 8.4 seconds, not blistering, but plenty for family duties. Long-range AWD adds a 70 kilowatts, 94 horsepower, front motor, bumping total output to around 309 horsepower. Range drops slightly to an estimated 330 miles WLTP. Performance AWD, dual 160 kilowatts motors, front and rear, for 429 horsepower total, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time under 5 seconds. Range likely dips to around 300 to 310 miles. Thanks to its 800 volts architecture, the IONIQ 9 supports ultra-fast charging at up to 350 kilowatts. Hyundai claims a 10 to 80% charge in just 24 minutes. That's a coffee break, not a lunch stop. It also features vehicle-to-load, V2L, tech, letting you power appliances or even charge another EV with up to 1.9 kilowatts of output. Imagine plugging in, grabbing a snack, and coming back to a nearly full battery. That's the future, and the IONIQ 9 is living it. Technology and features. Tech lovers, this one's for you. The IONIQ 9 isn't just a car, it's a rolling smart home. The star of the show is the Hyundai AI Assistant, a voice-activated system that rivals your home virtual assistant. Need directions, weather updates, or to adjust the climate? Just ask. The panoramic curved display integrates navigation, media, and vehicle stats seamlessly, while over-the-air updates keep everything current. Safety is top-notch too, with Hyundai's latest driver assistance suite. Think adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Optional digital side mirrors, in some markets, enhance aerodynamics and visibility. Market positioning and verdict. So, where does the IONIQ 9 fit in the EV world? And is it worth the hype? The IONIQ 9 goes head-to-head with the Kia EV9, Volvo EX90, and BMW iX, offering a unique mix of style, space, and range. It's more luxurious than the Kia, sleeker than the Volvo, and potentially more affordable than the BMW. Tesla's Model X might edge it in performance, but the IONIQ 9 wins on interior versatility and value.